Can you imagine living in a place where the sun never sets for 6 months, and then never rises for the next 6 months? Welcome to the polar regions, a part of our world that dances to a different rhythm of time. Picture yourself in Alaska, Norway, Finland, or Sweden, where you'd witness this exceptional phenomenon. Or perhaps venture further into the icy expanse of Russia, Canada, and Antarctica. Here, the concept of day and night as we know it takes on a whole new meaning. It's a world where daylight can stretch on for half a year, followed by an equally long stretch of night. Quite a departure from our 24-hour cycle, isn't it? If you're intrigued by such strange and fascinating phenomena that our world has to offer, then stay tuned. Surely you have thought about why this happens? Subscribe to my channel for videos that explain such fascinating phenomena. This unusual day-night cycle is not a result of some bizarre celestial event, but rather, a simple consequence of Earth's tilt. You might be wondering, how does that work? Well, let's delve into the science behind it. Our planet, the Earth, doesn't sit upright as it orbits the sun. Instead, it tilts on its axis at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees. This tilt, though subtle, has profound effects on our planet's climate and light conditions. Imagine a spotlight shining on a tilted surface. The light hits the surface at an angle, spreading over a larger area and becoming less intense. This is exactly what happens with sunlight on the Earth's surface due to its tilt. During parts of the year, the sunlight hits the polar regions at a lower angle, spreading over a larger area and causing the light to be less intense. This results in long, continuous periods of daylight or darkness, depending on the time of year. But there's more to it than just the tilt. The Earth's annual journey around the sun plays a crucial role too. As the Earth orbits the sun, the tilt of its axis means different regions of the planet receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. During the summer months, the North or South Pole is tilted towards the sun, leading to continuous daylight for about 6 months. Conversely, during the winter months, the same pole is tilted away from the sun, resulting in continuous darkness, also for approximately 6 months. It's fascinating how these natural phenomena, the Earth's tilt and its journey around the sun, come together to create these extreme conditions of continuous day and night. The science behind it is truly intriguing, offering a glimpse into the complex and beautiful mechanisms of our universe. To keep learning about these fascinating facts and more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's the Earth's tilt and its journey around the sun that gifts the polar regions with endless days and nights. Subscribe to my channel for videos to learn more about these fascinating facts. So in essence, the 6-month day and night cycle is a dance between the Earth and the sun. A dance that's been going on for over 4.5 billion years, and one that shows no signs of stopping anytime soon. It's all about the tilt and the orbit, two factors that work in tandem to create this unique phenomenon. Picture this: the Earth, our home, is not straight up and down in space. It's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt, as slight as it may seem, plays a significant role in the change of seasons and the length of our days and nights. Now, let's add in the second element of this cosmic ballet, the orbit. As our Earth travels around the sun, the tilt of our planet means that different parts of the world receive different amounts of sunlight at different times of the year. At the poles, this results in 6 months of continuous sunlight, followed by 6 months of darkness. The sun never sets in the summer and never rises in the winter. It's a stark contrast to the relatively balanced day and night we experience closer to the equator. But it's more than just a fascinating quirk of our planet's movement. This cycle influences the ecosystems and wildlife of the polar regions, dictating their feeding and breeding patterns. It affects human cultures too, shaping their traditions and ways of life. So the next time you watch the sunset, spare a moment to think about this incredible interplay of celestial mechanics that makes it all possible. And if you find this as intriguing as we do, why not share this video with friends who would find this interesting? And before we wrap up, a quick reminder: if you're hungry for more intriguing insights about our world and beyond, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos that make learning fun. Remember, it's the tilt and the orbit, a cosmic ballet, that gives us these long days and nights. Share this video with friends who would find this interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos that make learning fun.